Hi everyone, welcome to Cook with Sonu. So today I'm making a quick tawa pizza, crispy base loaded with veggies and diced cheese. So the ingredients that I have taken are pizza based and diced cheese, green capsicum, tomato, black olives, boiled sweet corn, tomato sauce, tamarind sauce, pizza sauce, oregano, chili flakes, and black pepper. So we are starting preparing our pizza. So we have to cook the sweet corn. First, I'll cook the sweet corn. I have put a pressure cooker on the gas flame and added the sweet corn, and it'll take about 8 to 10 whistles. So once it's done, drain and keep the corn aside. So now I'll chop the vegetables. So I chop capsicum, tomato in a chopper, and keep the diced capsicum and tomato ready. Now what I have to do is saute the veggies, take a pan and add a little butter. When the butter melts, add the chopped capsicum and tomato in it. Saute for about 2 minutes until slightly soft. Now add the boiled sweet corn to the pan and mix well, and add the black olives as well. So season it with a pinch of salt and a little black pepper. So turn off the flame and keep the saute the veggies aside. So now what I'll do, I'll cook my pizza base on the tawa. So now I have placed a tawa on the gas, and I have put pizza base on the tawa and I'll cook the bottom side for a minute until slightly crisp. So now remove the base and place the pizza base on a plate. So cooked side, you will keep it upside. So now I'm going to add the sauces and toppings on the pizza base. So I'll spread a thin layer of tomato sauce, tamarind sauce, and pizza sauce. If you like, you can use it as more if you like an extra flavor. So now spread the sauteed capsicum, tomato, sweet corn over the base, and scatter the diced cheese generously on the top. So and sprinkle some oregano and chili flakes and a pinch of black pepper as well. So now I have placed the pizza base on the tawa, toppings up, and I have covered this pizza base with a lid, and I'll cook it on the lowest flame for 8 to 10 minutes. This is how cheese will melt and it will crisp the base as well. So now I have turned off the heat and removed the pizza from the tawa, and I have placed this pizza on a plate, and I'll cut this pizza into pies with the help of a I'll cut the pizza into pies with the help of a pizza cutter. And now we can serve it hot. Our pizza is ready. So if you like the recipe, please give it thumbs up and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to Cook with Sonu for more easy and delicious recipes. See you next time. Bye bye.